Escaping the 9-to-5 trap, how to break free from the system keeping you poor. This is a Main Street Millionaire story. Waking up to an alarm you hate, commuting to a job you tolerate, all to get paid just enough to survive. Hate colleagues who are draining your energy trying to get a miserable promotion. If this sounds like your life, you might be trapped and you don't even know it. In this video, I'll show you how Ava escaped the 9-to-5 hamster wheel using lessons from some smart people who successfully did it before, and how you can too. Part 1. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Here's Ava, 34, corporate job in HR, earning £45,000 a year. Everyone says she's doing well. The reality is that all she does it keeping her job, asking for a raise once a year, then looking for another job that pays a little more. She is tired during Zoom meetings. She is trying to stretch her salary between rent, food, and bills, stressing over inflation and no significant raises. She and her partner are dreaming of holidays, but only affording them on credit. She recently read a few books, and one phrase in particular struck her the most. The 9-to-5 is a system built to keep you just comfortable enough to not question it, but not wealthy enough to leave it. Ava realizes after 10 years she has no time freedom, no real wealth, and limited options. Part 2. The salary will never set you free. Ava reads the book again and highlights a few lines. The system doesn't reward your time, it rewards ownership. Trading time for money is a rigged game. Freedom begins when you stop asking for permission to earn. She starts questioning. Why is she working harder every year and getting nowhere? Why does her boss drives a Tesla and she takes the train? Part 3. Steady cash flow is not found in flashy startups or trendy new products. Ava decides to take her first steps to challenge status quo. 1. She cuts unnecessary spending to build savings. 2. She starts studying small business acquisition in the evenings. 3. She joins forums, watches YouTube channels, and discovers a new platform, newowner.me, to explore real, cash-flowing small businesses for sale. She finds out a lot about boring businesses, laundromats, cleaning companies, car washes, the kinds of businesses that don't go viral but do make money while you sleep. 35% of boomer-owned businesses have been in operation for more than 10 years. Shockingly, 80% of them are profitable with steady, loyal customers. Don't be fooled. Boring businesses do not equal boring lives. Ava finds a small cleaning company in her area making £4,000 a month profit. Purchase price £35,000. She uses a mix of savings and seller financing to buy it. The previous owner trains her for 30 days. She keeps her 9-to-5 for 3 months while the business runs part-time with a team. Eventually, she hands in her resignation. Ava walking out of her office with a smile, holding a box of her stuff, not because she got fired, but because she's finally free. Part 5. The new reality. Ava is now running the business full-time, but close to hiring a manager and working part-time. She's making more than her corporate salary, with more time for family, hobbies, and travel. Her plan is to buy another business next year. One small business gave me my time back. My only regret is not starting sooner. She reflects on one of the key messages she saw in the books. Wealth is built on Main Street, not on salary slips. Here's some final thoughts for you. If you're stuck in a job that drains you, know this: there is another way. The 9-to-5 trap is real, but so is the escape route. You don't need to build the next tech startup. You just need to own one boring, profitable business. Explore cash-flowing businesses at newowner.me. Subscribe for weekly videos on financial freedom, business buying and selling advice, and making passive income, which pays for your lifestyle.